Hello, in this short video I am going to show you how to make a template. Okay, so I'm going to make a template for my lemons painting. I'm going to use a piece of card. I'm going to use a pen so you can see what I'm doing. You might want to use a pen actually because it makes it a little bit easier for when cutting it out. So I'll put my pencil and my rubber to one side. And I'll also need a pair of scissors. So I've got my piece of card. I'm going to fold my piece of card at the end like that. The only reason I'm doing that is so I don't go in the middle and waste a really big piece of card. If I do it like this, then I can get a few more templates out of that piece of card. Okay. And I'm going to draw half of my lemon shape. So you can do yours in pencil first. I've got half a lemon shape like that. And I'm just going to carefully cut across that line. Okay, so follow that line, cut around it. So my half a lemon becomes a whole lemon. So just have a look, see if you're happy with the shape of that. You turn it round. If you turn it round looking on the back, then your eye isn't distracted by that really strong line. So I think that's a little bit too square. So the beauty of a template is you can make your corrections before using it to draw with. So you can make sure it's right before you use it. Saves a lot of rubbing out. So I'm just going to actually come in a little bit more there and then rejoin the line there and just snip. So I've got rid of some of that black line. Open that out. Oh yes, I'm much happier with that. Okay. Now I'm going to label that because I love to keep all my templates because they come in handy. You could make a few different templates, especially for a painting like this, and they could all be slightly different shapes. So that's how you make a template. You can do that for any shape. So the principle is, so I'm just going to use that other end. This one, I'm going to do a fish shape, so I've got my half a fish. Save that bit of cardboard because you'll get another template out of that. Open it out. Right, so I don't want both fins on the top like that. I might want a smaller one on the bottom. So what you can actually do just now cut into that one a bit more. Have that a bit more rounded as well. So you can make your alterations at this stage rather than when you're drawing out. It just helps build your confidence a bit. Actually, I might just get rid of that in there. So you can just keep tweaking. I don't want him to have such a pointy nose, so I'll just round that off a little bit. Much better. And then I could use that in my drawing. So have a go, watch our next video and I will show you how to use your templates.